Hello everyone, Autumn is back. We fixed her again today. Because her head was falling off, but we fixed her. And now we're putting her into a different dress. Just to change it up. And her onesie says, "My aunt is a bad influence and I love it." I kinda have this onesie memorized because it's like so cute. It's white and then it's got the black writing on it. Super cute. And fits her well. And then of course with the dress, I think it has daisies on it because they're white. We also have the diaper cover. It's so cute, it matches. And then, yeah. Oh, that's so cute. And then the dress that matches, I don't know, is it a diaper cover? Is it shorts, pants, what is it? Let me know in the comments. Well, not pants. Is it shorts or is it a diaper cover? Let me know in the comments below, please. Super cute. This dress was on Tegan once before, just in photos, so when we got Autumn's head situation figured out, we decided to put this one on her. And we have the yellow headband that yellow socks, sorry, first, and then white socks. I'm getting confused because I can see her sister in the back of their white socks. So I only have one pair of yellow socks. Of course, yellow headband. Yes, Tegan was wearing this, but it fits Autumn a lot better. We got a white pacifier on a yellow pacifier clip. Matches perfectly. And then there's Autumn. She is all set in this outfit. She does not want a pacifier, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Nope, she doesn't want it. She's being pleasant today. Aren't you? Good girl, you took it. Good girl. Doesn't she look sweet? I think she does. Thank you for watching. She looks like she's trying to sit up on me. Good girl. Good girl, hon. I love you guys. I love you, Autumn. Okay, I will see you in my next one. Peace.